guys, it's only Alan here from Lookers Vauxhall Ellesmere Port. Today we've got a very special guest. We've got Lucy from GardX.
Hi Alan, thanks for inviting me today.
You're very welcome. So, biggest question, what is GardX?
Okay, so GardX is an interior and exterior protection for your car, keeping it nice and shiny, keeping it in that showroom condition, and not only that, protecting the inside from any stains or spillages that you might have. Fantastic.
So who applies the GardX?
So the valet team are trained, which we continually assess them, making sure they're up to date. Okay. So the process we go through is a two-stage application process, and they're trained in that, and then they also protect the interior, along with a few other things like protecting the windscreen. So if in really bad weather conditions, we put a hydrophobic sealant on it, which is called GardX, which the customer also gets in their bag as well, and it repels the water from the windscreen, therefore you've got a lot better visibility.
Okay, so we've had a little chat about what the GardX does on the exteriors of the car, but does it do anything to the interior as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So it protects the seats from any staining, so in the unfortunate situation you're drinking coffee, tea, water, anything you might spill from your shopping, yes, ultimately it will bead up and sit on top of the surface, give you that availability to be able to just wipe it away, and it will leave you a stain-free interior. If on the other hand you did take leather, we actually have a leather guard solution, and that's applied by the valet team, and it keeps it nice, soft and supple, and it stops it from cracking and shining. It will also repel spillages there as well.
Brilliant. And I noticed the little case that you've got there. What's that?
Okay, yeah, so every customer, once they purchase GardX, has the opportunity to have one of these. So if the customer washes the car themselves, then we have some wash and wax shampoo. I'd recommend if they do purchase GardX, then they use the shampoo. Okay. We also have a bird dropping remover, so in the event that a bird does put bird lime on your car, you want to be able to remove that as quickly as possible, because bird lime is very, very damaging to your paintwork, and it leaves marks and stains. So once the customer actually notices it, we'd advise they put a bit of bird dropping remover on it, leave it for a couple of minutes, it softens it and it makes it a lot easier to remove, and it will also put back a layer of protection on there as well, so that's quite good. We also have a glass guard, which is, we talked about previously, absolutely brilliant for visibility in poor weather conditions. This is something that the customer has that they can apply themselves. This will probably do about 15 windscreens, so over a period of every 3 to 6 months you might just need to apply a very, very small amount.
And why would you normally need to apply that? Is it something to do with the wipers? Or?
Yeah, the wipers are quite abrasive, and it just depends on how often we're using it, the wipers, and how much rain we're having basically, and how much driving you have. You also have a conserver, or as we call it, a little pot of magic. This has elements of the product in, so you put a few capfuls into a big bucket of water, throw it over, and it will repel the water, and it makes it nice and shiny again. So brilliant. If the car lacks a little bit of lustre or shine, you want to get it back to that showroom condition, which it should stay in, this is brilliant for doing that, and it's a lot easier to chamois off as well, because it repels the water. You've got a lovely blue sponge there if you want to use it. You also have a fibre cloth as well, but this is a brilliant product, and this is called Tyre Guard. So if I was to talk about someone perhaps being on the side of the road or having a puncture, they never look in a great position, let's be honest. But Tyre Guard, this is different to your inflation kits within your vehicle, because this actually is water soluble.
Right.
So whether or not you can get your locking wheel nut off or whatever, you've got to wait with someone, this gets you on the road a lot quicker. Very, very simple. Flip the lid off, give it a really good shake, make sure the valve's down the bottom, press the inflate button, it will inflate the tyre to where it needs to be. Brilliant. The benefit is that you're going to have the opportunity to save the tyre if it's a puncture.
So that can be washed out?
Absolutely, yeah, and then it can be restocked up on the GardX shop as well.
Brilliant.
Yeah, and that's your take-home kit.
Okay guys, so that was a fantastic explanation on what GardX does. So one of the other questions I'm guessing people have is, what sort of guarantee comes with GardX?
Yeah, absolutely, great question. So it comes with a lifetime guarantee of the vehicle. It can actually be transferred if the customer sells the vehicle privately. That's a small transfer fee in there, but it does have a lifetime guarantee.
Fantastic. And if you have any issues with the product, do they get in contact with Lookers, or do they get in contact with GardX?
No, get in contact with GardX. All the information is on the customer's paperwork when they actually buy it. It's emailed across to them, and also probably in the handover from you guys. Yeah.
Okay, and I'm sure a lot of people are thinking right now GardX is really for new cars, is that right?
Absolutely not, no, it's for both new and used.
Brilliant.
Yeah, absolutely, so you can put it on either vehicle. It's going to keep everything locked in, prevent any damaging going forward, keeping it nice.
Fantastic. Well, that's been an absolutely fantastic explanation for one of the great products that we sell here. So I just want to say thank you for Lucy for coming in.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're very welcome, and thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. We're offering 3 people a chance to come to Lookers Ellesmere Port to win a 3-hour test drive in one of the 3 new cars Vauxhall are releasing this year. The cars are the Corsa, the Corsa-e and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, all you need to do are 3 things. Simply like one of our videos, subscribe to the Lookers Ellesmere Port YouTube channel, and comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will put you into the prize draw to be one of the first people to come and drive one of these 3 amazing new cars.